Imagine a world where every blockchain transaction you make, every vote, every payment, every identity check is fully transparent to anyone. Now imagine the opposite, a blockchain that gives you complete control over what you reveal and what you keep private. That's exactly what Ethereum is building right now. Welcome to the Block Analyst. Today, we're diving deep into Ethereum's latest announcement, their official commitment to privacy, a turning point that could reshape the entire Web3 landscape. This isn't just another update. It's a declaration that privacy is no longer optional, it's essential. Ethereum Foundation's new direction centers around one message. Privacy is a human right and should be built directly into the core of Ethereum, not added later as an afterthought. The blog post defines privacy as the power to choose, to decide what information you share, when, and with whom. This shift moves Ethereum from being just a transparent financial system to becoming a sovereign digital layer, where identity, transactions, and governance can all happen securely without exposing every detail to the public chain. Why does this matter? Because total transparency, while ideal for accountability, also creates surveillance. Every wallet, transaction, and behavior becomes traceable. That's not sustainable for real-world adoption, for individuals, companies, or institutions. Let's break down how this affects different groups. For individuals, privacy protects freedom and dignity. You should be able to send funds or vote in governance without exposing your financial history. For developers, privacy allows innovation without compliance nightmares. Apps can handle sensitive data without risking leaks or legal issues. For institutions, privacy is compliance. Banks, DAOs, and organizations need to operate legally, but without putting sensitive internal transactions on public display. For society, privacy sustains democracy. Without it, open networks become tools of surveillance, censorship, or control. In short, privacy isn't just about secrecy, it's about control. Ethereum's not starting from zero. The foundation has been funding privacy and scaling research since 2018 through the PSE team, Privacy and Scaling Explorations. Some of their tools already shape the privacy landscape. Semaphore lets users prove membership in a group or send anonymous signals without revealing identity. Mackie, minimal anti-collusion infrastructure, enables private and fair voting, preventing bribery or vote buying. ZK Email allows you to verify data from emails cryptographically without revealing content. Notary XLS proves the authenticity of HTTPS data without exposing sensitive info. Anand Aadhaar, experimental ZK-based identity verification using India's Aadhaar system. Each of these projects acts like a puzzle piece. Together, they're forming the foundation for a privacy-enabled Ethereum ecosystem. To scale these efforts, Ethereum Foundation has created a privacy cluster, a dedicated unit of engineers, cryptographers, and researchers focused on integrating privacy at every layer. Led by Igor Baranov, this cluster has several missions. Private reads and writes. Allow transactions and smart contract interactions to happen silently without revealing unnecessary data. Private proving, zero-knowledge proofs. Use ZK technology to verify facts like I'm over 18 or I own this NFT without showing any personal details. Private identities, CKID. Build decentralized identity systems that reveal only what's needed, selective disclosure instead of full exposure. Privacy experience. Make privacy tools easy and intuitive so regular users can enjoy protection without extra friction. Institutional Privacy Task Force, IPTF. Bridge privacy tech with regulatory and corporate needs, ensuring Ethereum remains both compliant and protective. And Project Kohaku, a new wallet SDK designed for privacy-first applications, combining user simplicity with advanced encryption. Ethereum's privacy initiative isn't just about apps, it's structural. It's being integrated across 4 levels. Research layer, exploring cryptographic primitives and ZK proof systems to push technical boundaries. Protocol layer, embedding privacy capabilities into Ethereum's core, how blocks, transactions, and states are managed. Application layer, building real-world dApps and wallets that use these tools. And institutional layer, ensuring enterprise and government integrations align with privacy and regulation. This layered design means privacy won't depend on a single tool, it'll be woven through the entire stack. Ethereum's commitment isn't happening in isolation. Globally, privacy is becoming a geopolitical issue. From GDPR in Europe to new digital ID frameworks worldwide, privacy is being recognized as both a legal right and a technological necessity. By embedding privacy natively, Ethereum positions itself as the privacy backbone for Web3, standing against surveillance capitalism and data monopolies. Compare this with Bitcoin, transparent by design, or Solana and others are faster but often less private. Ethereum's aiming for something higher, programmable privacy, privacy that adapts to context, identity, and compliance needs. Let's be realistic. Privacy on a public blockchain isn't easy. Zero-knowledge proofs are computationally heavy, privacy layers risk fragmenting liquidity or introducing complexity, and governments may push back, fearing money laundering or untraceable flows. That's why Ethereum's approach focuses on selective disclosure, enabling privacy without abandoning accountability. In other words, it's not hide everything, it's reveal only what's necessary. This balance could define the next generation of blockchain systems, where users remain anonymous but auditable, private yet provable. Ethereum's vision extends beyond crypto. If successful, this could reshape how the internet handles identity, voting, finance, and even communication. That's why this announcement matters. It's not about a single upgrade. It's a philosophical shift. Ethereum is declaring, transparency built trust. Now, privacy will build freedom. Thanks for watching The Block Analyst. This video is educational, not financial advice. If Ethereum succeeds in merging privacy and transparency, this won't just change crypto, it'll redefine the digital world itself.